Oh. Alright, welcome back to the Thomas Rocket Car. We're here, we're going to do some more bead rolling. I got Jackman here, I got Tony here. We're going to try set up this bead roller and roll out the belly pan. We got some 18 gauge. We got our, back that off. Our bead roller here. It's all backed up. There you go. So we'll go ahead and we'll set this up on the dot here. Right there. Alright, I gotta get out here. Oh, Jack, just roll it slow. Is that too hard? I can take some of the pressure off.
It's going hard, but how's the bead look done, Tony? Or does it look like you gotta go through again?
Yeah, I probably gotta go through again. Look at that! Bam! So we're going to this next one. Yeah.
I can see now that we gotta start looking for a gear drive.
Electric motor and a foot pedal would be nice.
You know, I can see this is a three-man job. Did you just happen to wander in, Tony, or were you scheduled?
Happened to wander in.
Lucky for you, you did.
I love when dudes wander in. Right there. Hold it. I'm thinking we could order a bunch of this so we can make a whole rolled roof for like a 40 by 60 pole barn. What do you think?
Yeah. I won't be available that day, but
wait, let's go inboard, then we'll flip it around for the last one. I'm wishing I didn't have all those Brandy Alexanders last night now. Should have stuck to Shirley Temples.
We had 3 of those, and then you went into Brandy Alexander.
Next challenge, we're going to do a panel that's 24 feet long. What do you think about that?
I think I'm going to be sick that day.
No personal days. This is a plastic deformation process. Even though it's on metal. Plastically deforming the metal.
Sharp edges.
What happened? I cut my neck on the sheet metal. Whoops. Safety. If this was in the 1930s, we could get a job doing this all day, every day. What do you think about that? For what?
I'm glad I was born later.
For $1 a week. If we work for Henry Ford, we get $7 a week. Yeah. Look at that!
Beautiful.
There's one. There we go. The first belly pan for the Thomas Rocket Car. Fresh out of the bead roller. Let's make the other one. Alright, part 2, here we go. Tony, if you had your Project Why Bother done, we could be going out to Moab, Utah and meeting up with Matt from Bleepin' Jeep for the Easter Jeep weekend. Your Easter Jeep Safari. What do you think? Why bother? It's not roadworthy yet. My Jeep's ready to go. It's put on the trailer. We can make it out there in time.
Is it a spring show?
Yeah, it's it. Meet up on Wednesday. Run the trails, but it's in Utah. It's 2,000 miles away.
Of course, those are capable Jeeps.
My Jeep's capable.
It's not.
I got a Gap sweater the other day from ThreadUp. Do you know what it cost? $10.99.
Wow, that got hard all of a sudden.
That's what she said.
Oh, that's so 90s. You gotta quit saying that.
Is it easier when I push on it?
Yeah, push anytime you're ready.
You know what the secret to doing this stuff is?
Let somebody else do it?
Let the oldest guy do all the hard work. Are you tired? Do you want a break?
No, I want to go. I want to finish it. I want to see it done. I want to be part of the movie.
We're all in the movie.
Yeah, well, I know we'll be cut and it'll be on the floor.
Keep it up. I'll digitally enhance you right out of it. Or what do you call it? What's that? Keep it up and I'll CGI you right out of the movie. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Hit it.
I'll just pay attention to the red line here. The thin red line. Follow the thin red line.
Where's Chet when we need him?
Almost there. Red leader. This is gold leader. You know how Larry's kept the re-rod? I'm gonna make a bead roll special, bead roll thing like every 4 inches and build a whole car out of bead roll steel. What do you think about that?
With this?
No, I'll never be able to get it apart.
I got a hammer goes both ways.
Oh. Look at that! There's number 2! Awesome! We got a crack team over here. Kicking them out. We're gonna go get the trunk panel piece. Hold on a second. Alright, we're having a gentleman's agreement here. What do you say, Tony?
So this isn't as thick as the panels we just rolled.
I'm saying these are both 18 gauge, but we got the micrometers out. We're going to use science. So hold on. Let's measure it here. I got 47 48 thousandths, which is 47 48 thousandths. That's 18 gauge. What we got here? I got 46 thousandths. This is actually 1 thousandth less than the other one. No, that's 47. They're both 18 gauge. It's been verified. 48 thousandths, 47 thousandths. Verified.
Why is that so flimsy though?
I don't know. It's been verified by the gauge.
Okay.
Put the money down. Put it down.
There it is.
Bam.
$7. Signs don't lie.
I quit. We're all done for the day. Thank you.
Turn the heater on.
Did you get that at Harbor
Taking that
Freight?
quick.
No, this is the real deal here.
Let's go. What are you waiting for?
All right, so this is the trunk floor, the belly pan part of the trunk floor. We're gonna put a couple of short bead rolls in it here at the bead rolling station. Oh,
Bead roll station's ready.
I can get rid of
Razor knife.
I can get up and close and personal this time. Move your, squat your hand in there. It's not thicker metal. Right there. Bang. Got it. I'm just running my fingers into the rollers. Is this the last one?
That's one.
You know, I don't know why you called me. You could have called Larry's. Larry's wife does this.
Edie?
He does.
Could have gone over and used his son's roller.
You got a power one?
No, but it's nice. Look at that! We got the trunk floor. We got the belly pan made for the trunk floor. What else can we bead roll? Let's bead roll our names into something. Okay, we got all parts made. We'll go back at it on the floor. Thanks, Jack. Thanks, Tony. Oh, like magic. Somebody else stopped by. Hi, Tom. Thanks for coming by to help out. Gotta do some more bead rolling here. I gotta line this up. This is that song, Rolling with the Homies. It's like rolling with the homies here. Did I already say that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it again, rolling with the homies. I start talking, I get distracted. What's the deal with airline food? There's one. Yoink. Bam, look at that. Perfect bead rolls. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. That was a short panel, now I gotta do the long panel. If we get good at this, we'll try bead rolling our names into something. Almost there. Bam! There's 2. What, there's more? Bam! There's 3. One to go. Man, I need a cigarette. This is hard work. I'm just kidding. Smoking's bad for you. Don't smoke. Bam! There's 4. Oh, this one's rusty. Look at that. So these go together under the car like this. Looks like they even line up. Bam! Awesome. Thanks, Tom. Now what can we bead roll?